Get him!
Louis, Gracie, you ever dead? Oh my God. Honey, you ever dead yet?
Oh, you're gonna make me cry.
Honey, do you remember Dad yet? I miss you so bad, honey. I'm so sorry I went away.
Where is he? Oh.
Is that so?
Aw. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, he's so excited to see Daddy. Oh, he keeps pulling on my hand.
Oh, come here. Hi, it's a puppy. You're so soft. Can you see it? Can you see it?
No, hold me. I want to see your face.
Hi, baby.
Oh. He's like, where did you go? I thought you left me.
Hello. Hi, buddy. Oh, yes. I missed you. I missed you. Yes, yes. Yes, oh. Hi, Sid. Oh.
Oh, Sydney. Who's that? Is that your dad? Ooh. Oh, she's so happy. Oh, she's so...
Yes, my little puppy. That's my little puppy. That's my little puppy.
Is she crying? Oh my goodness. Oh, she's giving you a hug. Oh, she missed you. Please. Oh.
How are you?
He beat all over himself. Door.
Come on.
Oh, I can't turn it sideways. It doesn't work that way.
How you been?
Dude hasn't seen you in a month and a half. What's he doing? He's so happy! Oh my god!
Hey, how you feeling, buddy? Oh, it's so good to see you. Yes, it is. Oh, How you been? Hey, Max. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Come here. Come here. Good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. I've been missing you guys a lot. I've been missing you guys a lot.
Who is that? Who is that, Didi? Oh. Oh.
Oh, he did get small. Good. What's up, buddy? What's up?
Didi.
He's looking for his toy. He's not.
Where's your duck?
Hi, birds.
Come here. come here, shall die. Joey, hi. Oh, hi, man. Hi. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Venmo. What? Joey. Yeah. Come here. Come. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Du, jawohl! Ja, du da!
Oh, det är fan!